When you hear the words birds of prey, you probably imagine a majestic eagle soaring high through the sky. But eagles are just one part of a much larger family of predators. Among them are the hawks, some of the most intelligent, adaptable, and successful hunters on Earth. But here's something most people don't know. A hawk isn't just one kind of bird. There are several different types of hawks, each with its own body design, hunting strategy, and habitat. Today we'll explore every major type of hawk and discover what makes each one unique, and meet the most famous species from each group. Let's begin with the masters of the forest. Before we look at the different groups, it's important to understand one thing. A hawk is not a single species. Instead, it's a common name used for many birds of prey within the family Accipiter. Although all hawks share hooked beaks, powerful talons, and exceptional eyesight, their bodies have evolved for very different ways of hunting. Scientists generally divide true hawks into two major groups, Accipiter hawks and Buteo hawks. Beyond these, there are several unique hawks that don't fit neatly into either group. Let's start with the fastest forest hunters. The first major group is the Accipiter hawks. If there were a title for the ultimate forest hunters, it would belong to them. Unlike hawks that soar high above open landscapes, accipiters are built to hunt where flying is far more difficult. Inside dense forests, their bodies reveal exactly how they survive in such challenging environments. They have short, broad, rounded wings, allowing them to make incredibly fast turns between trees. Their long tail acts like a rudder, giving them exceptional balance and precision during high-speed chases. Their legs are long, their talons are razor-sharp, and their hooked beaks are perfectly designed to tear flesh. Instead of circling high above the ground, accipiters rely on ambush hunting. They hide silently among branches, then explode into action, chasing their prey through narrow gaps where few other birds could even fly. Their diet mainly consists of small birds, squirrels, rats, rabbits, and other small mammals. Although they are usually medium-sized birds, their speed and agility make them some of the most efficient hunters in the bird world. This remarkable group includes some of the world's most famous hawks. The northern goshawk is a fearless predator, capable of taking prey nearly its own size. The Eurasian sparrowhawk is a specialist at hunting small birds through dense woodland. The Cooper's hawk has become one of North America's most successful hunters, even in suburban areas. The sharp-shinned hawk is the smallest member of this group, but it is an exceptionally fast and agile hunter. Across South Asia and Africa, the shikra is one of the most familiar accipiter species. It hunts birds, reptiles, rodents, and even large insects. Other members of this group include the besra, the crested goshawk, the Chinese sparrowhawk, the Japanese sparrowhawk, and many more. Today, accipiter hawks are found across North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. They live in a wide range of forests, from tropical rainforests to northern conifer woodlands. They all share the same remarkable hunting strategy: speed, precision, and the ability to fly effortlessly through dense trees. But not every hawk is built for life in the forest. Some have evolved for a completely different lifestyle, soaring high above open landscapes where patience is more important than speed. Let's meet the second major group, the Buteo hawks. Unlike the fast and agile accipiter hawks, Buteo hawks have evolved for a completely different hunting strategy. These are the masters of the open sky. Instead of flying through dense forests, they spend hours soaring effortlessly over grasslands, mountains, farmlands, and open countryside. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for this lifestyle. They have broad, wide wings that allow them to glide for long periods without wasting much energy. Their short, fan-shaped tail provides excellent stability while riding rising columns of warm air, known as thermals. Compared to accipiters, buteos have a heavier and more muscular body, giving them the strength to capture larger prey. Rather than relying on speed, they depend on patience, endurance, and exceptional eyesight. Rather than relying on speed and surprise, Buteo hawks hunt with patience. They circle high above the landscape, using their exceptional eyesight to detect even the smallest movement on the ground. Once they spot a target, they descend with remarkable precision, striking at exactly the right moment. Their diet mainly includes mice, rats, rabbits, ground squirrels, snakes, lizards, and occasionally other birds. Some species also feed on large insects or carrion when food is scarce. This impressive group includes many of the world's most recognizable hawks. The red-tailed hawk is one of North America's most widespread and iconic birds of prey. The ferruginous hawk is the largest buteo in North America, famous for hunting prairie dogs and jackrabbits across vast grasslands. The swainson's hawk is an incredible long-distance migrant, traveling thousands of kilometers from North America to South America every year. The rough-legged hawk is perfectly adapted to the Arctic. Its feather-covered legs help protect it from freezing temperatures. Another well-known species is the red-shouldered hawk. It prefers forests and wetlands, where it hunts small mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. Today, Buteo hawks are found across North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. They live in a wide variety of habitats, from open grasslands and deserts to forests and mountain regions. They may not be as agile as accipiters,